aloha, mahalo i keia kipa ana mai.
When you're here with us, you're in Hawaii. So please give us your attention as members of our flight crew share the safety features of this.
What up? Coming to you live from beautiful sunny Hawaii. As you guys saw in those clips earlier, this is my ride for the next 2 weeks. If you guys remember last time I was here, Slater surprised me with this beautiful WayBeforeTheFame JDM Hawaii Suzuki Carry. It has a black body kit from Japan. The interior is pretty cool. This has to be one of my favorite K-Truck mods I've ever seen before. But what we're gonna do in today's video is I'm actually gonna drive to both of Slater's dealerships today. The whole reason I'm here, we're gonna learn more about it throughout the week, but the whole reason I'm here is that he's opening the first ever JDM specific repair shop in Hawaii, which is pretty sick because that means regardless if you buy a car from him or you want to import it yourself, you still have that location that can do the timing belt on your Acti. They can still do maintenance on that Hilux, so you don't have to really worry about finding a place to get, like, you know, routine maintenance done, because you can only imagine the difficulty of finding a place to get work done in Hawaii. You know what I mean? Like stateside, the lower 48, it's already pretty difficult, but being on an island, I could only imagine. So let's do a 360 of all the cars that are here. We got the good old WayBeforeTheFame K-Truck. We got a mini cab that needs a water pump. We got an Elf. He told me that this is a customer's car. They put new calipers, power steering line, also got a new fuel filter. We got another Acti, Hi-Jet. These two just came in off the boat. This is a classic that's 5-speed push-button 4-wheel drive. I feel like a lot of these are automatic, but this one is cool. Still got the decal. This guy is a Libero, and in my opinion, it's kind of like a fake K-Van. I think the best part about K-Vans is having the dual sliding doors like on this guy right here, and kind of every single K-Van, but this guy's a 3-door setup. To me, it kind of reminds me of like a Hi-Ace or a Delica, you know, the bigger vans. And this one only being a 3-door, to me, is kind of like a fake K-Van. But next to that, we got an Acti, another Acti. This guy's a customer's car. This is my opinion like a fully done up Acti. You guys know how I feel about Actis. This guy, this might be one of the best Actis I've ever seen before. So let's go over this real quickly. Light bar there, roof rack, 4 lights there, spare tire mounted. It isn't just for show, this is mounted. Then he has extra rims there. This is bed line, nice, like, you know, metallic grayish color. Look at this exhaust setup, pretty nice. You know, it isn't anything super fancy, but it is nice to have that twin little exit. Then he also put shocks and springs all around. This is what I call a Honda Acti. Not this, this. Next to that, again, another Acti. We got a Suzuki Every. We got a Jimny. I believe he said that this one has some engine issues, which is pretty sad. I would love to have this in New York. Loving the ruby color. This guy's cool. This one needs some work. It says it needs some brakes. This guy, if you guys remember, I made a video on this and it's getting a lot of views right now, but someone ripped off its face. I can't believe they did that to the midget too. Like, this was one of my favorite cars when I was here last time, and someone really just ripped its whole face off. I don't know what their intentions are with this car, but it's really sad to see it that way. Then we got this Vivio Bistro Sport. You guys remember I just drove this car when I was at HVNY. This guy's automatic. It's still supercharged and all that good stuff. Has a lot of like STI-ish badges. Has a bunch of gauges all around. This guy's a cool car. Next to that, we have a Pontiac. That's not JDM. We have a Subaru right here. We got this clean Every. Over here, we got some more cars. I know you guys want to see a lot on this car. Sadly, it's a customer's car. If you're watching this video right now, please comment below. Let us know if we can open the doors and just get a full tour of this guy, because this is like the perfect, like, ultimate K. You got the pickup truck, you got the 4 seats, you got the lift kit, big tires, turbo, fuel injected, 4-wheel drive. This is like the perfect ultimate K if someone had to build it, even with the glass roof. It has like every option you ever wanted in a K car in one little bread box. Over here we have a supercharged sandbar with round headlights. I feel like I've never seen a van like that, but this guy's automatic. We have another rare car, Honda Acti, that's a dump with a lift kit, with aggressive tires. This guy's cool. I've never seen one with this type of back before. I don't really see Acti dumps in general, but this guy's nice. We got a Hi-Jet. I believe this is called the Estima. These are pretty cool. We got a couple big boy vans over here in general. This Nissan Largo is really nice. I think the paint and decals really pop. Interior is very clean. It has like a nice dual pattern. But you see how this is a 3-door? Like, how could this and a K-van both be a 3-door? This kind of makes sense for being a 3-door. You want all your passengers to get on the safe side. But like a little van, to me, it doesn't really make sense. So again, 3-door. But this Delica's cool. Lift kit. Big crazy tires. Has a winch in the front. This is pretty badass. Maybe I'll drive this. Then we got another van, another 3-door. Someone just dropped this off to get a timing belt done. You guys know how I feel about Bravos. Cool to see one in this color. Got a big roof rack back there. And then lastly, we have this 2-door Prado, another Honda Acti. And then maybe the coolest car that's on this whole lot. Sucks that these are becoming more and more difficult to import. We have a Subaru Sandbar with the very famous VW kit. This car is just perfect for Hawaii. Sucks that it's a customer's car, so we won't be able to drive it and go all over the island. That thing is cool. We got a red jumbo. You know I love these trucks a lot. But now let's head to Slater's shop. Let's head to actual like JDM Hawaii, the sales aspect of it. And over there we can test drive everything. Now here is where all the cars are, the cars that we'll be able to drive. So let's do a quick walk around. Like I said, this is not like a full like JDM Hawaii inventory update. I really just want to show you guys the cars they have. We'll do a quick skim. They got an Acti, Suzuki. Let's see if we can find any rare gems, because you'll walk up to Acti and it might look like a regular K truck, and then you get inside and you see like something like this. Like this one has a really nice interior. It's a jumbo too. I didn't even realize till I saw the basket. They got another jumbo over here. Some more Actis. This Suzuki has yellow headlights. Let's walk over here. This guy's pretty nice. Let me see. The interior looks like it's black. Oh yeah, it's black. Nice little touch there. All right. What else we got? Let's see, some more Suzukis. Couple K trucks. What's this? This is a Subaru wagon. Yeah, Subaru wagon. We drove that Hi-Jet last time. One of the coolest cars. It's on 10-inch rims, if you can see over there. And then where's that Domingo? I really want to drive that Domingo. Is it not over here? I've never driven a deck van either, so maybe we can do that while I'm over here. But here's a black one. Looks like it has newer headlights. I believe this one is automatic too, which is kind of cool. Oh yeah, look, it's automatic. Got some extra gauges. Boost? No way. There's no way this thing is turbo. We'll determine that later in the videos, but as you guys can see, that does say boost, but it has a voltage gauge too for the battery, which makes sense. But boost and automatic deck van? I don't know if that's the case, but maybe it is. Maybe this guy's turbo. Now let's check out the inside. Here's where they hold all the goodies. Got some parts over here, carburetors, some cool Legos. This Suzuki, boy oh boy. Look at this. This was built too. I don't think it's even mounted. Yeah, look, it's not mounted. I think Slater's gonna sell these to people in Hawaii. Like, look how cool this is. Perfect for the surfers out here. This is definitely one of the coolest trucks out of here, this green Suzuki. And then next to that, we got a twin cam Hi-Jet. This guy's cool, automatic, very clean. Black bed liner, rims, AC. And then they got the cool Unos Roadster. The weirdest, coolest Miata that isn't a Miata. And then they usually have some of the cars out here. So this Acti looks real good. What rims are these? Look how good that looks. They got a little spacer in there, but the fitment is real. Now look at this. Do you see that fitment? Wow. It's like Slater's making the coolest Actis. And then this Hi-Jet. I don't even think this is a body kit. Maybe it is. Someone correct me if I'm wrong. But this is a 1997 Hi-Jet, and it looks like it has a body kit, right? Seeing how it has like that little piece right there. But I'm pretty sure this is just factory. Maybe it's called something. I've seen a couple of these before, but this guy's cool. Nice interior. And I believe this is probably the last truck. Looks like a pretty normal Suzuki Carry. Yeah, round headlight Suzuki Carry. But I'm ending this video here. I guess we're gonna have to wait and see when a Domingo comes in. we definitely have to drive that. Like I said, let me know what cars over here you guys want to see a full video on. I know the favorites that I want to drive, but if I miss anything, definitely comment below. But catch you guys on the next one. Day 1 in Hawaii complete.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.